drivers will let you know Trevor had a time of 1 minute, 6.42 seconds. However, he was off course, so he is disqualified. We have a few more contestants to go in the four-wheel drive class. We're going to ask the two-wheel drive class start lining up, please. Start lining up.
Come on, Ryan.
Folks, we got Ryan Krebs from Lebanon on the course right now, driving a 2001 Kia. So two-wheel drive class, start lining up. First up in the two-wheel drive class is Alexander Burkholder, followed by Brian Wolf.
I thought he hit it harder. Come on. Come on, Ryan! Ooh. Oh, that hurt. That hurt.
Come on, Ryan, get it.
Hello, folks. That car is awfully quiet. I don't know if he's doing a bedrock imitation of Fred Flintstone there and just using his feet, but that thing's awfully quiet.
All right, Ryan!
Give Ryan a big hand there, folks, in his 2000.
Woo! Not bad for his first time. Pretty good.
We got a time of 1 minute, 24.84 seconds for Ryan. That is a qualifying run. Notice
Yes!
stayed on course. Up next